move up some of them crosses yeah, if I do it back. Dan Curves, me like him. I
Listen,
see him. I see
that
him.
girl brand new. I'm glad that the people that have senses and me just did a make up him talking man. I'm gonna get caught regardless. I told John that. They're gonna get caught regardless. Definitely remove the second.
Benson no more. Him say something
Who
about me the
that
other day. Him
artist?
say Pelico.
The artist?
Yeah, Benson,
Big
do
up
it.
yourself,
I ain't
Benson.
connect
One
now.
click star.
Queenie,
One click blood.
like,
We not listen to
do
Queen.
it.
We not
Do it.
Queen is
have
a
time for that.
non-factor over here, so she need to go put up
Me
her
fi
own
tell you,
brand.
no.
Do it.
No.
No! Put up your
You know,
own
No
say
progressive
brand.
anyway.
Benson did slap Mellow.
Blue Book, shut up. Blue
I mean
Book,
I tell us.
Blue Book,
I mean I tell us. Eh?
You know, so
Blue
Benson
Book,
come
Blue.
over here and tell me upon live, say, oh, man, I'm a
Saying I
friend
know,
of fuck.
saying I know, saying I real life, me feel comfortable and alright about that. Cause here we go now.
But,
Ben's like when I bad brother them
Alex,
see me.
oh, you feel surprised, say, like, well, my own pan the queen. I'm about this, you know. I want to know. I want to know. Whatever, see my back down from the
MoMo
wall.
see 600.
Yeah. This Friday again, then I know. Cause we are doing next Friday, but that one you got mad.
Do it, rap.
Remember me
Too
tell you
much
that.
still, because we are the
With three dirty
Sunday.
girl.
No, today I'm Monday.
Three dirty girl. Ask do it my old dirty. Do it, me gonna shot you
Never get
about
Hey,
a black
the
mama.
next wait no, the next time I have to go come out with my whips and chain and all my bangle and dangle, handcuff and
No,
Yeah.
here we go.
everything.
We not go thief them name. We gonna get one guitar different. It's feel good. Ta-na-na-na-na-na.
Eh, feel
So good. So good. It's feel good Friday, fam. That is it. When Friday I come again, today I what?
Yeah, but she had done me. Queenie can't done me, you know. Queenie want me to respond. She just get a little clip. She get a little one shot out. Not even a one shot. She just get a little
but I say
for her in
MoMo
the
because she
car.
called me Blue Book a while ago. She don't do
Yo, I
how
tell my
She
mother,
get
I
a
tell my mother, say me for
little
done in
select
my
in
car. I
the
tell my
car. And
mother,
true, she
I
called
tell
cash
for enough
way
my
name.
mother.
Other than that, you know. But then that's what steady to me. But him on cash way. No. Take time with my babes.
and the Blue Book did a
Yeah.
clatter.
Take time
Blue
with
Book,
my babes.
Blue Book.
Supposed to marry man in Jamaica right now. You're the only one who marry man in Jamaica. Take time with the
Big
babes.
gas, you know.
She
That,
rule.
me I tell you.
So everybody sure. Oh, the liar, but trust me, I don't want to
Me
crucify with them old
not like
crackers.
I'm
me I
not.
get bro.
Yeah, nice too.
Yeah,
I'm
F me
gonna
too and I get
hear that
nice.
coming there. Three and make one queenie. I wouldn't want to be queenie.
Me wouldn't
So
want to be she. Definitely wouldn't want to be
Blue
she.
book, blue book, blue
Blue
book.
Book, Blue Book.
Lord.
I'm sorry. If that's y'all guys' inspiration,
I'm
kudos to
sorry
y'all.
for your
Yo,
life.
one thing still in me nah go depend no life
Is
lay
that the
down
man wife?
and a
Them
all
been
of
single.
vibes, you see me?
Momo
So if
queenie.
me the one
That's
I don't
all
want
queenie
to
talk
meet a
about.
more
And them
zero.
something she
You see
know.
me? I care zero from. You
Yeah,
see me?
like
And you see our blood them in it. You hear
Buy
that?
the
In a
badges
real
them.
life.
Buy the badges
Yeah.
them.
Right there, so.
damn, the moderator really working over here. All
Hey,
right.
Miss Kitty, black, me a black here. Blue Book a make sense. And I can there Jamaica still.
Y'all are so rude.
Blue book.
Blue Book. I'm for
Blue Book.
ungrateful. Where you want him to sit down in a mess, in a terror, in a madness, in a mental abuse. Right now, if him bring that guy to court, win him England paper without nothing said behind that
I
blood
know,
clot there.
me not
We
fight them
not
for
fix
nothing,
our
you know, I
life
hear
them
that.
go.
Me
We
I
shall
sure,
tear down Dewey.
me I sure them say me not fi use them not in no shape nor form, fam. You see me? Yeah. So you see this me no want this no want nobody say me come turn leeches on them for them thing. You mad? I want
See,
to
the man take a
bigger,
Canada, he might take up
big,
Blue Book and I give a red one. So I want
big,
to say I'm ungrateful now.
bigger than that.
And that's what I want to do an inspiration for carry people, boy, picnic come a fire. I'm like, Papa.
Deaf.
Well,
Top girl, British girl,
Straight.
yo.
Straight.
And all
That
a
never
black behind
lean.
your
That never lean.
well,
Them say England book no red girl.
that for sure you're American I am. But I
Well,
no,
want
it's not red.
burgundy,
me know red
purple,
I
and
thought it
blue.
was
red, blue.
burgundy.
Black. I think a black.
I give
Black it then.
one blue.
Exactly, granted.
I only know my one is blue.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, I'm
Yo,
not
when
tell
you
no lie.
start
Do
type and
we?
tell me what the man over
Do
there say,
we?
because you know, and when you not type, you
Yeah.
not type things that not even make
Do
sense. It makes
Yeah.
sense when
we?
you type them things,
Yeah.
yeah.
You look
Oh, me for
very
Alfred,
relaxed in the
look
morning.
from
Yeah.
the,
You
You
hold
look
look
up
on,
the
look
like
from,
Me
your
to tell
teeth
you.
them
no, no,
nice
hold
in
Nah,
the
on,
me
way.
but
man.
you see too
I
my
don't be a
mother
Hold
dick
just
on,
called me
though.
a while ago. She
Look
said me
at
for
the
behave
grade
myself.
school.
She just give me
You're
back that
telling me, Queenie, you
contented
say.
mood. You know, she calm me down. You get me? See for me, they bloop up myself and I hurt up my head over them.
No, we not
I
make
make
you go
my
to that
forehead.
level.
I make my forehead curl up. Me not have time for that. Cause you see when
I
I get
curl
old,
up to already.
I have to get all fussy, you know, get shrivel up.
yeah.
You see, through the whole heap of curl up, where you have to muscle up your face. That's why I love smiling. That's why I love the mask. Yeah. Wait there. Oh, God, come here.
Smiling,
But
Dewey,
man
keep
not tell no lie. Do
smiling.
you look
Oh,
relaxed in
you
the
can.
morning?
Smiling. Keep smiling.
Keep
Keep
smiling,
Do
smiling.
Papa
you can broke
Keep
in my
Dewey.
bedroom window?
smiling.
Always
Do
count
we?
on me. For
Whoa.
sure, what do it? That's
This
what
a be
my
them bad
soul
man smile
for.
from my face, man. You
Hold
know
on.
that me I tell you, yeah.
MoMo causes
Oh,
people, all of the blogger them.
What?
Sorry, but just do that for ad libs.
You
Like we are
got
do a
people that say them Queenie around me. Queenie can rub with her grade school. Them say she has said about, yeah, man, and dig up from the grave. Poor thing. Up here, Batty argument, Queenie
Yo,
talk
and
about
that's
her
not because she
you
know
know.
that's the only thing gonna hurt his feelings, so
Up
she
here,
gonna lie.
some
Hurt his
you
feelings.
see me, the man
Yes. She only gonna
and you
say what she
just
know gonna
watch, we're
hurt his
not even a
feelings.
talk about your Queen. Oh, come on, say I listen to the fake page, you know.
woman,
Queenie have to grow
um,
those. Let me talk.
Positivity,
Let me talk
positivity,
to you. Let me show you how
positivity.
me rub and get to the
Momo,
feeling.
Momo, man, I tell you, say
Queenie.
stop calling people name, deaf. Say
More,
No,
that
them
lady.
say she
more
a talk to me. Behave
positivity,
yourself, Dewey.
baby.
That
Dewey
is
Positivity.
circle,
the
circle. Let me
positivity,
talk to my
darling.
grandmother. Let me talk to my grandmother. Behave yourself.
Positivity there.
No, she
No
couldn't be my grandmother. She could
matter
have been my
what them
father.
say,
Because
no
my
matter
father
what them
died
say, we
50.
not
Constant go
Man, my answer the lady. You over there say, why is it when you and a man argue, you argue with man, the first thing you want to do, I call them Batman and something. They say you're not a mother to a son. If you're a big woman, well, if you reach 50, you over here scream out your throat, hey, mama and me fuck up your marriage, you know. Can you see you over there ball out like weeks ago, months ago, you did assume it wouldn't even remember your name. You wouldn't be talked about. Me and
deaf.
doing I've been outside making work, making music, and the promotion. Whenever they're gonna use the internet for drag down the man who are coming and tell me, I say, as a mother, would I say when we get married, I would have changes. That's what I would have done. So I don't understand where you're bad at me for. Come, where you want me kick him off of the life, you're gonna feel better. You see, you go over there and program, K. Me not take program, Queenie. I mean, never diss you. Earlier, me say, come over here and diss up the other man, and not even doing me. I worry with you about to the come. Never Queen, I bed, you know, mama. When me have threesome, Queenie, and a girl like you, me have threesome with, you know, at different type of meds. And me, you know, like the little tree something, come here and say, man, dig out the girl hole. You understand? So Queenie, here what? I'm not even go there with you. I tell you, say it's like me select the clip, but we really not gonna shoot kind of expensive in America. But kind of the road different. Just have a seat, bro. It's not that serious. You over here run up your back. Wow. If I see me gone, you know, I'm gonna look at him again, you know. But just replace him with another one, and another one, and another one, and another one.
She Reject. That's it. She can't take rejection.
You're upset about people when you that business to the life. And that's your vex mode. Because when I say somebody born, make we talk about it. It's somebody's son. Would you, as a mother, want someone to deal with your son the way you deal with him on social media? Or could I keep this in the house? Not disrespect you yet, but you know, say, you're done.